Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paws, and today I have a very special video guide where I'm going to show you how I take one graphic pack and make three, count them, three different print-on-demand products all around similar niches. It's going to be really good stuff. Again, like always, if you have any questions about the types of resources I use in this video, make sure you check out the description box below. On top of that, I also have timestamps menu down below. So if you want to skip to a particular type of print-on-demand product, then you can do so down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you want more videos like this, let's get to the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is show you the niche. This niche is Kawaii Christmas. It's a sub niche of the Christmas market. Okay, and I'm going to show you the three different products I'll be creating and how to create them quickly and easily using software. Okay, now I'm using my software Crispy Prints to uncover this specific sub niche. Okay, now again, Kawaii is Japanese for cute, and it has to do with a lot of circles, anime characters, plump round cheeks. Think of Kirby, if you know Kirby from Nintendo. That's your stereotypical kawaii. Okay, so Kawaii Christmas, again, a sub niche. You can see here there is Kawaii Christmas decorations, ornaments, coloring books, sweaters, clothes, stockings, gifts, decor, dress, the whole gamut, right, under Kawaii Christmas. I'll be using this graphic pack. Again, if you want more information about this below, I'll have a link to it. But this is applicable to whatever graphic pack you have. You want to take those assets and make the most out of them because you have full commercial rights to them, and create all types of products on different platforms to help you earn passively online. Now, the first product here is a POD print-on-demand T-shirt on a site. I like to use TeePublic. You can also use Teespring. I also have case studies on my channel showing you how I profit off of these different T-shirt sites. Okay, this one here, it reads Kawaii Christmas with a picture of the elf that I got from the graphic pack. I'm going to show you how to do that. On top of that, here I have a Kawaii Christmas printable for the Christmas market. Okay, and again, I use Crispy Prints to create this. I'm going to show you how I created the background for this one. And finally, I have a Kawaii Christmas coloring book / printable. You can sell this on Amazon KDP. Now, personally, this is me personally, right? When it comes to Amazon KDP, I always upload or add unique content that I had outsourced or that I had a piece of software that helped me create the content, and it's unique, right? That's only for Amazon KDP. They're very fickle. They're very, of course, Amazon KDP is a huge opportunity. I'm not saying don't go after Amazon KDP, but be very careful with Amazon KDP and what you upload to Amazon KDP. Okay, so you can also, of course, sell this as a printable off of your own site and get traffic via Pinterest or sell it off of Etsy. Okay. Now that we have different products out of the way, I'm going to show you how to create them. First one I want to show you how to create is the printable. Okay, now here's a template that I use. Okay, this helps guide my hand on Canva when I create these different backgrounds so that I can add them onto these different games. Okay, what I'm going to do is detach this as a background, make this the background. Okay, now I have this background template. I'm going to add this to the back like this. I have a thin line showing me where I can and where I should and shouldn't have my different graphics. I'm going to add my elf. Okay, everything I'm just clicking and dragging around. Okay, I'll make sure that it's in the, let me expand this. I'm going to make sure that it's in the little box here. Okay, nice and snug. I want to flip the elf over this way. Okay, everything is nice and themed. Now I have the background here. I want this background to be white so that the games can show. I'm going to click on elements, go up here. I'm going to use this square. Actually, let me zoom out here. I'm going to use this square and I'm going to add it towards the corner here. Very simple. Corner here, expand on that. Bring it all the way down. and make this white and position it backwards. Okay, and now what I want to do is, actually, let me position it backwards one more time. I'm going to get rid of this template, and all I have left is this background here. Okay, now after I got this background, and now of course you can use Canva and individually create each and every single game for your Kawaii Christmas game set. In Crispy Prints, you're gonna scroll down, click Xmas Bundle, and what you're gonna do is add the template we just created, add it to here. Use a different, whatever color you want for the header. Select all the games or just a couple of the games, and click Create Bundle, and the end result will be your printable game set. Okay, really cool stuff. Now let's create our POD Kawaii Christmas t-shirt. Okay, so here I am on Canva again. Now I want you to show you the size for this. The size for this is 42 centimeters by 59.4 centimeters. Depending on the different t-shirt site you're using, print on demand site you're using, you gotta be wary of their dimensions, the dimensions they want. For this example, I'll be using the dimensions I just mentioned. Okay, and I like to create a black background and white background so that I can remove the background later. Okay, so with Canva, I'm just using the free version of Canva, but you can't, unless you're a paying member, you can't remove the background. But I'll show you how to do it for free. Okay, so stay with me. If you want, you can jump to the part of this video down below in the timestamp menu to where I show you exactly how to pull the background from the image. Okay, so let's click duplicate. Let's remove these different elements. I'm going to show you from start to finish. Okay, so let's go to the upload section where I have my different characters and whatnot, different graphics. I'm going to click on the elf. Okay, just like that, and I'm going to look for some text. Of course, we got some white Christmas. Actually, let me do this from start to finish. So we have just regular old text. I'm going to change this text to Great Vibes. Great Vibes is a Google font that we can use. Okay, click Great Vibes. I'm going to put in here Kawaii Christmas. Okay, just like that. Expand on that. Now check this out. I go to effects here and I go to curve, click curve. Now that's too much of a curve for us. So I'm gonna shrink the curve, or actually increase the curve so that it looks better to improve its aesthetic. Okay, I want to increase the size of Kawaii Christmas. Okay, just like that. Okay, now what you can do is duplicate that and change the color from white to black, and then remove the black background. Okay, I'm going to show you why in a little bit. You're going to download this as a PNG. Okay, click download, dump it into Gimp, just drag and drop. Okay, what I'm going to do is take this tool right here called Fuzzy Select. Fuzzy Select, you can't miss it. Fuzzy Select, it's a wand with a fuzzy end. Okay, you're going to click inside of the black border, not the border, but the interior, and you can see that everything starts getting fuzzy. Okay, you're going to click delete. Okay, now the background is gone. You're going to do that for all of the different sections where the black part is still visible. Okay, just like that. And now you have an image that's ready to be uploaded to your favorite print-on-demand t-shirt site so that you can start selling your POD passively online. Okay, and then once you're done, you're going to want to export as and make sure it's a .png. Okay, really important, and upload it to your site. Okay, so now that we have our printable done, and we have our t-shirt done. The next thing I want to show you is the coloring book. Now this is the easiest one. Again, if you're gonna upload to Amazon KDP, do it at your own risk. I gotta tell you, because this is what I'm doing personally. I've stopped uploading images that I didn't freelance or have created myself, or that's not unique. If it's not unique to me, I don't put it on Amazon KDP. It rhymes, and it rhymes for a reason. Don't forget it. If it's not unique to me, I don't put it on Amazon KDP. Remember that. Okay, that's me. A lot of other people still do, and that's fine. That's them. Okay, this is what I do. Okay, so you can definitely sell this as a printable as well. Okay, so how do I do this? Again, let me clear that. Let me delete one. Okay, very simple. You click on the background image on the graphic pack that you bought. Okay, again, I'm using this graphic pack here, and you're gonna right click, set images background. That's it. That's it. You're done. You just repeat that. Okay. Now the coloring books that I have created for me, I usually have them around 30 to 40 pages. Okay. Technically on Amazon KDP, the bare minimum is 24 pages. I like to keep it around 30 to 40. That's me. Okay. So in this example, there's a pack of 30 different background and Christmas related kawaii elves, and that I added to the background like this. Okay, just the way I showed you. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna just show you here. I'm gonna click on the graphic, right click, set images background. Done. Okay, and then you're gonna download as a PDF and as images if you're gonna use these images on Pinterest to attract traffic to your listing. Okay, let me know what you think down below. This is kind of a long video. Again, I have timestamp menu below where you can jump around to your favorite part of this POD tutorial. Let me know what you think. Be good. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.